Withdrawing money from your Citibank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Find a Citibank ATM near you or use an ATM that accepts your debit or credit card. You can use the Citibank mobile app or website to locate the nearest ATM. Step 2. Insert your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Once prompted, enter your personal identification number PIN securely. Ensure no one is watching as you input your PIN. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Choose the option for cash withdrawal on the ATM screen. You may need to select your account type, checking or savings before proceeding. Step 5. Choose amount and complete transaction. Select the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction and the ATM will dispense your cash. Don't forget to take your card and receipt before leaving. Remember to keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly.